Hi everyone, I'm Beto, and today I'm going to show you how to cover a wall outlet. And first I'm going to introduce the items that I'm going to use. First of all, we're going to need a piece of newspaper, painter's tape, and a handy painting cup, and of course the paintbrush. It doesn't have to be the big, this painted brush measurement is, you're gonna cover 1 inch. It's equal to 25.4 millimeters wide. And to start, I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I'm trying to do here. Okay. First of all, you're gonna grab your painter's tape and try to measure, how much you need before you start cutting it to pieces, so you don't spend a lot of it. So then just gonna try to place it to the edge of the outlet. Here we go. So I'm gonna add a little bit in here, so you can see. There we go. Okay, so we'll continue to cover the size area. And don't forget to take a measurement, of the side of your outlet, before you start putting up the tape, so you don't spend a lot of tape. We're almost there. So once you cover the edge of the outlet, you gotta make sure to lift the tape so you can fit the piece of newspaper that you will be using to cover, your outlet. So this is the newspaper, and I'm gonna try to fold it into pieces. You don't need to use the whole thing, so just half of it will be okay. So you start folding it until you feel that it's gonna fit in there. So you measurement again, so you see, you need to be folded a little bit more until you have this kind of similar measurement, of your outlet. So when you verify that it fit in there, so you're gonna start covering, place that inside of it. And then you start bringing down your blue tape towards the newspaper. Sorry. And there it is. Now we're going to paint around that using the cup and the brush. Okay. You can do multiple coat just to make sure, you know, to cover around the outlet before you start using, you know, the big roll around. So it will save a lot of time, you know, at the end. But I think this is a good way to go before you start painting the walls. Okay, so then we're gonna start using the big roll around. Well, this is it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.